Hi, it's Mrs. Carl with Sight and Sound Phonics. We're working on the Y being a vowel and saying I at the end of the words. Last time we were together, we did the sheet that we did this one. All right, you can print this off the computer and you can trace these. All right. And practice, practice, practice is how you're going to get better at reading these words. Today we're going to write a sentence and we're going to need one of these words for the answer the sentence. So the sentence we're going to write today is going to start with the word what. Oh, you're good at that word. When we start a sentence, what do we start with? An uppercase letter. So we need a W. But when we say the word what, let's say it 3 times. Remember, put your hand up and say it 3 times. What? What? Feel the blowing? So what does that mean? WH, right? Because that blowing, there's that H in there. So uppercase W, W, H. How do we spell what? W-H-A-T. What? A-T. W-H-A-T. What? Now I want the word do. Remember we learned that one too. How do we spell that word? D-O is do. 2 finger spacing. D-O. Oh, you know what? I hope that you're writing this with me. I hope that you got your paper and pencil. All right? Or else you printed the sheet out. Got to do this with me. Please, please have it. If you don't, go get it. Turn me off and go get it and write on your paper what do, because I want you to do this with me. Mrs. Carl, you know, I make mistakes sometimes. Everyone does. And I forgot to say this in the beginning for you to get the paper. But you probably remembered because you've been doing this with me enough. So you probably remembered. I hope so. We ready to continue? All right, we have what do. Now I want the word you. How do I spell you? You already know that one. Here's Y as a consonant. Y, right? Y. The Y is a consonant sound. Y. Y. Down. O. U. There's the word you. And there's Y as a consonant saying y. Y. What do you do? Another word do. 2 finger spacing. Do. D-O. What do you do? Now we're going to write the word when. When. All right, let's it's a W in the beginning. So put your hand up. Say the word when 3 times. When. Feel the blowing? Sure do. What do we need? W-H. All right, I'm going to do W. H. When. What? What says eh? Short E says eh. When and an N. Wonderful. What do you do when? Now I need the word you. And the word you starts with a y. And that is the Y acting as a consonant, right? It's not a vowel when it says y. So we need the Y. How do I spell you? Y-O-U. Good job. All right. What do you do when you... Now I want the word are. The word, not the letter R. The word are. All right. This is one we have to memorize. Remember, it's A-R-E is the little word R. A-R-E. What do you do when you are sad? Sad. S. Don't forget your spacing. Whoops, that S didn't come out too ups. S. Ass. Add. It's a short A word, an A word. sad. What do you do when you are sad? Is that a question? What do you do when you are sad? It's a question. We need a question mark. Now, if we go to this sheet here, this one that we had all these words that we wrote, what do you do when you are sad? All right? Do you cry? Yes, you cry. So you can either just write the word cry, or we're going to write a sentence together. Okay? I'm going to start with the word, this is a new sentence. We start with a capital letter, an uppercase letter, and it's the word I. Well, the word I is always a big letter because it's a person. Okay? I. All right? Cry. Cry. The word cry. Cry. All right? C. R. And what makes the R say? And when you say cry, what makes the I say? I, the Y. I cry. I'm going to put I cry when, W, when, WH. 2 finger spacing now. We need W, H, what, short E, when, N. Here we use the word when here too. What do you do when you are sad? I cry when okay, so we need an uppercase, a big I, because it's a person. All right, don't forget your spacing. Am, a. Am, when I am. All right, we have, what do you do when you are sad? I cry when I am. What word do you think we need? Sad. Good. 2 finger spacing. S. A. Sad. D. Dog's head and the dog's tail. I cry when I am sad. What do we need at the end of the sentence? A period. But that's telling us what we do. Wow. Now remember, you have this sheet, all right? Don't forget, if you didn't the last time, trace it and spell it and write it and everything. You've always got another chance to do it, so please work on it because you need the practice. Practice, practice, practice. I'm so proud of you. All right. That's all we're going to be doing together now, with the Y acting as the vowel that says I. Remember, Y. I want to show you one more time. Here's your Y. It can be a consonant in the word you that we wrote today. It's a consonant in the word you, all right, where it says ya, or it's a vowel where it says I in the word Y. Y. I at the end. Okay. You're wonderful. Thank you. All right. High five. Bye.